Maria McLeod, Club Soccer, Church Villa.
I grew up in the north side of Cork. There wasn't a soccer club that was playing with girls, around that time. And of course, then when I moved down to Ballycotton, there was like nothing,
Football would have been her game of choice. Like myself, I would have been the same. We weren't really girly girls, we were more tomboys, playing the games, playing the sports.
So I had to wait until I went to CIT and I joined their team. We won intervarsities and we won the Munster Connacht League. I qualified with my science degree and I went on into the science industry to work. There wasn't really much free time to play sports and it kind of got put on hold.
Chuir timpis de card isteach go mór immert agus Hail Maria.
Yeah, I suffered a brain injury 6 years ago from a car accident. And I have kind of long-term effects from it, so I live with like post-concussion syndrome. So it's like having a concussion all the time. So I've had to go through like a lot of rehab. A year nearly to the date of my accident that my husband was nearly killed. A car tire blew up in his face and it blew off the side of the car. So I was already battling my own demons in my own head, like trying to recover from my own brain injury. I had to care for him, I had to become his nurse. I became the housewife, I became everything, which was quite tough.
And it just made it a lot harder for them.
Then as you're getting things back on track, then we hit an even bigger pitfall. My grandmother, she only passed last year. She had a blood clot in her leg, she'd been very healthy. I brought her to the hospital and they literally told me that she had stage 4 bowel cancer and there wasn't much time. We just moved her in with us that night. Like our beds were next to each other, we became roommates and we never told her she had cancer. It was her fear. For the 8 weeks we had her, we just gave her the best time we could. We sat down in the bed and she just looked a bit deflated, like the energy had gone, and she just said to me like, am I going to get better? And I just sat down next to her and I said, no. I just said, old age is catching you. And I said, but don't worry, I said, we're going to be here till the end. When my nan passed, instantly, like a void. And everything went quiet. And it was kind of like, what do I do now?
Hail Maria go raibh sí an amdí, díreadh an sport arís.
We set up the ladies team in Church Villa a year ago and we're going strong. We've a great group of girls and I hope to continue to play for that club for a very long time. Yeah, it's weird. I don't know, does someone like put a curse on me or something, but we've been through too much in 6 years. I never thought I'd get to this stage. My doctor never thought we'd get me to this stage where I started playing active sports a year ago, like coaching. We never even thought that was going to be a possibility in my horizon. I want to be an inspiration to my daughter, to the kids I coach, to everyone that needs that beacon of hope. I'm going to give everything I can. I'm going to leave everything out in the pitch. Even though my ribs are sore, I just got to go for it and let's see what happens.
She won't give up. She'll keep going. She'll encourage everybody else to keep going. There's no stopping her really.
Underdogs, a go forward le Airgrid.